Join us on Mystic Trails as we take on the challenge of making money while exploring the world. Let's see if we can turn our travels into cash. The freedom to travel wherever we want, whenever we want, is a dream so many of us share. But what if we told you it's possible to live that dream while earning a steady income? This isn't just some far-off fantasy. It's a reality for digital nomads and travelers worldwide. Imagine waking up to a new horizon, immersing yourself in vibrant cultures and still having money flowing into your bank account. Sounds incredible, right? But let's be real. Making money while traveling isn't always smooth sailing. One of the biggest hurdles? Finding reliable income sources that don't tie us down. Balancing work and exploration can feel like a constant juggling act, especially when dodging spotty Wi-Fi, language barriers, and the temptation to ditch our laptops for another day of adventure. And let's not forget the guilt of being physically in paradise but mentally stuck in spreadsheets. The good news? With the right strategies, we can find that sweet spot between earning and exploring. Here's how we make it work. Whether we're writers, designers, or developers, freelancing gives us the flexibility to work from anywhere. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easier than ever to find clients, even if the office is a hammock in Thailand or a cafe in Lisbon. Sharing our travel stories isn't just fun, it can pay the bills. With ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, we've seen travelers turn their passion into passive income. The key? Consistency and a unique perspective. Fluent in multiple languages? Online tutoring is a goldmine. Platforms like italki or Preply let us connect with students worldwide. All we need is a laptop and a decent internet connection. More companies than ever offer remote roles in fields like marketing, customer service, or tech. Landing one of these jobs means steady paychecks without sacrificing our wanderlust. One of our favorite success stories? A traveler who turned her love for photography into a thriving business. Starting with just a camera and Instagram, she built a portfolio of stunning travel shots. Soon, tourism boards and brands were paying her to capture destinations, proving that with hustle and creativity, our passions can fund our adventures. Making money while traveling isn't about luck, it's about strategy. By choosing income streams that fit our skills, staying disciplined with our time, and embracing flexibility, we can design a life where work and wanderlust coexist. What's your favorite way to earn on the road? Share your tips in the comments. For more inspiration on living the travel dream, subscribe to Mystic Trails, where every journey comes with a side of possibility. Until next time, may your Wi-Fi be strong and your adventures endless.